Condoms are one of the most accessible forms of protection against pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. But how effective are they really? When used correctly, condoms reduce the risk of pregnancy by about 98% and significantly lower transmission of many STDs, including HIV. However, no method is 100% foolproof. Problems arise when condoms are used incorrectly, damaged, or expired. Small tears or improper use can lead to failure. Some people experience allergic reactions to latex or other materials used in condoms, which can cause discomfort or irritation. There are also debates around certain chemicals used in condoms, like spermicides or lubricants. But health experts agree these risks are minimal when products are approved by regulatory bodies. It's important to remember, condoms work best when combined with honest communication, regular testing, and safe sex practices. So, condoms aren't killers, they're lifesavers when used properly. Understanding their limits helps you stay safer, not fearful. Want more science-backed truths? Subscribe to The Hidden Switch and challenge what you think you know.